Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments. I love to read every one of them. And please share this video out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, if you hadn't heard me talk about it by now, I got a new book. Actually, I got 2 new books. They're in the links below. Please go to my website and check those out. It's teaching you different ways to start your online business, different ideas for businesses. Because a lot of people say they want to start a business, they just don't know what they want to do. These books will help you with that. And just about everything in those books, you can start for little to nothing at all. Okay. The first thing I want to talk about today is Nancy Pelosi and getting her hair done. Y'all, I'm not picking sides here. Y'all know how I feel about Nancy Pelosi. I've had a lot of hard feelings about her in the past, but lately it seemed like she was trying to help us. Now she's dragging her feet just like the Mooch Man did. So I'm down the middle with her. But on the fact of her getting her hair done, she said that she thinks the salon set her up. But I'm going to give you my take on this. Y'all, I'm sure in the last 5 months, we've all done something during this COVID ordeal that we probably shouldn't have done. She is no different from us. And that's all I've got to say about that. Nebraska and South Dakota has not applied for the unemployment boost. All the other states have applied. Come on, Nebraska, South Dakota, your people need this money. Make it available for them. North Carolina is now issuing their own stimulus checks to their people of $300. No, that's not a lot of money, but it will at least help put some food on the table. Congress will be coming back off a recess, going back to work for a whopping 4 days. And then they're going to have a 4-day weekend. So let's see what gets done on this first week of them coming back. A lot of the same old stuff. Okay, as you know, yesterday the August jobs report came out, and as normal, they used their new magic math on this. They can always mess something up with their new magic math that they like to use. Republicans will try to get the stimulus deal passed this week, the skinny bill that they've been working on. They're trying to go for $500 billion. Y'all know this will not go anywhere. Everybody says this is a starting point, then they're going to start piling other stuff on, like stimulus checks. Whatever they do, the House is going to have to vote on it, and the way it stands right now with the skinny bill, $500 billion, the House is not going to go for that. Y'all, I want to remind y'all I've got a new channel. The link is below. Go subscribe to that channel. It's going to be every day a new video about how to start your online business. Y'all don't miss that channel. Please subscribe to it and watch those videos every day. The ban on evictions. You will have to give your landlord a signed letter stating why you can't pay your rent, or they can still evict you. And I would suggest when you give them this letter, don't hand it to them in person. they can always say they didn't get it. I would suggest sending them certified letter. Keep a copy of that letter for yourself and keep it with the receipt of mailing that letter. Then if they try to say they didn't get it, you got proof. You got their signature. Y'all, my new book is selling like crazy, and I'm so thankful for that. Y'all, please check it out. It will help you with your online business. For that matter, it would help you with a physical business. Y'all, it's listed in the links below. Go to my website and check it out. And please get your copy. Okay, I want to talk about the giveaway for just a minute. Sorry, y'all, got something in my eye. On this channel, we're going to have a $1,000 giveaway when we reach 100,000 subscribers. We're getting pretty close. We're like 25,000, 24 and some change away from getting there. We're going to do $100 for 10 days. One person every day will get $100. Also on my other channel, when we get monetized over there, and we're about a third the way there now, when we get monetized, I'm going to have a $500 giveaway over there. You know, it takes 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. The 1,000 subscribers is going to be the easy part, but then I need the 4,000 watch hours. So when y'all go over there, play the videos. Even if you don't want to watch them, play them. Let them all play. That will help me get there faster, and we can have this drawing faster. Y'all, please subscribe to this channel. Give me your thumbs up. Leave your comments. Share these videos out. And just know I love you all, and I will see you later. Ciao.